Hi fam, quick top tier tip for today. Whenever you're working with a formula in a question, change the subject formula first before plugging in your values. It's one of the smartest ways to avoid losing marks. Let me show you why. First, it helps you avoid silly substitution mistakes. Second, you save time, less back and forth. Third, it helps you earn method marks even if your final answer is off. And lastly, it shows the examiner you actually understand the content. First, let us say that you are asked to calculate the number of terms for a compound investment. To make n the subject of formula, first we'll divide both sides by p. We will note that our equation now looks like an exponential equation where our y is equals to a over p, our b is 1 plus I, and our n is x. We know how to change our exponential graph into our log graphs. Thus, we would use this rule to solve for n. Once we're done making n our subject of formula, we can go ahead and substitute in the values. So remember, subject first, numbers later, and this is the only way we do smart math that is stress-free.